What is this that stands before me? I kind of forget. Vic Hucklebuck, I asked him for something to fix. He rooted around under the steps and came up with this. So I'm going to dub this one the guitar from under the stairs. So we have a Harmony Stratotone with a steel reinforced neck. Kind of neat. Let's see, I can see that's off already. Is that switch disconnected too? It says 61, made in USA, so it's kind of old. It's got its bridge here. That's good. Yeah, I think this one's fixable. I'm gonna see what I can do about this switch. Maybe we'll plug it into an amp first and see if the pickups work and why that switch is disconnected. Is it because it couldn't come out that far? Sure. Cool pick guard though. It's in really good shape. Usually this plastic feels very brittle, but that feels pretty solid. Alright. Let's get her out of here, start stripping her down, and I'll set you up behind the bench. I got it plugged into an amp and it sometimes does stuff. So wants to do something. I'm going to strip these back and find out where they go here. Alright, strip those two back. Let's see if touching these does anything. Alright. Let's see. Maybe some research on that. Right back. Well, I feel like I'm just going to solder it up. Doing some research. This is a bass and treble switch. One position will knock out the tone, so it's just the volume. I'm thinking the live one has to go on this outer pot. And yeah, so what do I have? 50 shot. So I'll solder it in, put it back in here, and I got one string on here, so I might as well tune that up, even though it's like in the totally wrong position. But something there to make some sound, I guess. So I'm going to solder this up, we'll plug it in and see how that goes. Alright, I soldered it on both ways and I'm still getting nothing. I didn't want to do this, but I think I'm going to have to take the electronics out completely. Did not want to do that because it's going to be a pain in the butt getting it back in there. But from what I'm reading online, there's a capacitor in here that can go bad. So possibly that's it, but we'll get a look at what the electronics here will look like. jack coming in, which looks okay. Got the ground coming around there. And here's a piece that's unsoldered. Why is that not connected to something? That is part of the pickup. Where did you come from? Right here, didn't you? Didn't you? So these had to come out because I have to resolder that, and I'm pretty sure that's the only spot that it'll go to. Let's solder that up and see what that sounds like. Nice. Sounds like with a string under it. Pretty low volume too. Ha ha ha! That's awesome. That's all it was. I think that cap is okay, because here. Volume, that's your tone right here. Yeah, it's working pretty good. That cap actually looks really good. Yeah, I'm liking that. It's pretty quiet too. I mean, except when I'm touching it and grounding it out, but alright, let's try to get this back together, and we can proceed with cleaning and stringing. This fretboard is a little musty. It's kind of gross. So does a steel reinforced neck have a truss rod for adjustment? Probably not, huh? But that's exciting. Alright, moving forward. Alright, the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to try to fish it through with some wire, some scrap wire first. See how this goes. There's your tone. And there's your no tone. So this just bypasses your tone, basically. That's kind of cool. So we know that works. You know, I can't really use a magnifying glass for a bridge. But we have sound coming out of it, so I'm going to take this string off. I'm going to secure this down, and yeah, we'll clean it up. We'll start going through the fretboard. Alright, cleaned up. I secured the pick guard down, wiped it down as good as it's going to get. So what do you think the chances that these frets are level? Let's see. Alright, I'm going to let that soak in there. It's probably, you know, the guitar's 62 years old. I don't think this has probably ever been done. So I'll let that absorb, have a cup of coffee, come back, wipe that down, and I think I can start stringing it. I think I might want to run a little bit of chrome polish over the pickup and the tailpiece. So I'll probably do that too. But you don't need to see me do that. So stay tuned. Thoroughly cleaned, polished. I think it's time to string it up. String up, tune it, see if we can adjust that bridge to a nice place. Doesn't have individual intonation on that bridge, it's like in old style. So we'll get it close. Yeah, it's starting to look like a guitar already. Kind of neat, like that. It's pretty good, actually. The neck's a little thicker than what I'm used to, but that sounds really, really good. I'm pleased with that. I think one more thing before we put it back into service is I think we need some knobs on here. Didn't have any. I have black, which looks really good. I like the look of that. They're brand new, and I got some older white ones here. And they look more period correct, but they don't match the white of that, you know? I'm going to go with the black ones. Alright, I'm liking that. That looks really cool. So let's plug it into an amp, see how it sounds. What do you know about this guitar, Vic?
So this was my mother's guitar. She got it for Christmas. I'm not sure if she got it in 1961 when it was made or if it was later, but yep, so I took it from her, been sitting in the closet, and now it's out in my closet. And thanks to Chris fixing it up. Promo Gnome saves another guitar. We'll see if we can get it into rotation.
Nice.
It's nice and light like that.
Yep.
probably more suited.
You got the wah hooked up?
No. More suited for the clean sound.
Very suited for a clean sound.
See how the old tuning keys hold up?
They're in pretty good shape too.
These old style things work better than some of these fancy new ones.
Yeah.
Not a lot to it. Nice and solid.
So there you are, 1961 Harmony Stratotone.
Yep. It is better than it did when it came out of the box.
So don't be afraid of the guitar from under the stairs.
Nope. It can be brought back to life. Play it again.
So thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more guitars like this getting fixed up.